you have another one?
They should probably stay.
Do you have another one? Oh my god! Wait, give me.
Oh, fuck. I don't think you should shit yourself.
Wait.